Welcome to Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends. Today in this video we are going to know about the intermediate first year Mathematics 1A 6th chapter trigonometric ratios up to their transformations. Last part 10th. Only just in 10 parts I have completed this all total trigonometry chapter. So part 9 continuation. 14th question, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay. So here condition is given a plus b plus c is equal to pi. But see in the question we can observe there is a by 2, b by 2, c by 2 means we should take a plus b by 2 value. First of all, a plus b means what? C center right side becomes pi minus c. So then a plus b by 2 is equal pi by 2 minus c by 2. So apply sign on both sides. Then we get sin of a plus b by 2 is equal sin of 9 is equal sin of pi by 2 minus c by 2. So now what is sin of 90 minus theta? Means cos c theta. So sin of a plus b by 2 becomes cos c by 2. This is one formula like, and then apply cos on both sides for this function. We get cos of a plus b by 2 is equal cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2. What is cos of 90 minus theta? Becomes sin theta. So sin c by 2 we get. So cos of a plus b by 2 becomes sin c by 2. Now take left hand side. What is the left hand term? LHS is equal cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Okay, I will give one more question, same type of question for your practice. So listen carefully. Here this is not in the form of cos c plus cos d because of cos square plus cos square is there. So how can we do cos square theta formula? Cos square theta means how can we express? We have cos 2 theta formula, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. From that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So from that cos square theta means 1 plus cos theta means here cos a by 2. Okay. Next, instead of cos square b also we can write 1 plus cos b by 2. And cos square c by 2 at present keep it as it is. Later according to the previous steps we can change that. So in both 2 is the denominator, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 plus cos a plus cos b for the remaining, and then plus cos square c by 2 as it is. See here we can take combined cos a plus cos b. We can apply cos a cos plus cos b. We can apply cos c plus cos d formula. So first 2 by 2 as it is, right now 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b formula, apply cos c plus cos b. What is that? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So here instead of c a is there, instead of d b is there. So c plus d means we get a plus b by 2 into cos c minus d means a minus b by 2. So plus cos square c by 2 as it is. Now 2 to cancel, 1 plus here also 2 to gets cancelled. Cos a plus b by 2 is there. So cos a plus b by 2 means what? Cos a plus b by 2 means sin c by 2. So we can write sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 as it is. Cos a minus b by 2 and plus cos square c by 2 means we can write 1 minus sin square c by 2 because of cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. From that first identity of trigonometry, cos square theta is called 1 minus sin square theta. So we can write 1 minus sin square theta means c by 2. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and plus here sin c by 2 is there, here sin square c by 2 is there. So take out sin c by 2 common. Then the remaining terms are cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Okay. Here also first term as it is 2 plus sin c by 2, and here cos a minus b by 2 means we can't change in any way, keep it as it is, and minus sin c by 2 is there. See here, if cos c minus cos d we can use the formula, or sin c minus sin d we can use the formula. So both should be in terms of either cos's or in sides. but here one is cos, one is sin. So sign change, right, in terms of cos. Already sin means in terms of cos we have, that is cos of a plus b by 2. So sin c by 2 means we can write cos of a plus b by 2. So which is equal 2 plus sin c by 2 into, now cos c minus cos d, so becomes what? That formula we can apply and simplify, we get the sum from simplification. What will we get? See here, already sin c by 2 term got it, and remaining 2 sin a sin b required. So by simplifying this we get 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 we get. Okay, directly we can write. So here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So we can take 2 common, then 1 plus sin c by 2 into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Right in order. Then sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 is the remaining terms. Is called RHS. So left hand value is called RHS. Hence prove. This is the solution. So next 15th question, same type of like 14th question. If a plus b plus is equal to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 is called 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. There is a question. So how to solve? Like 14th question. This is the 14th question answer. So first these steps are common for every question, and then take LHS. Here minus is there. So in the 14th question, and changes to minus, minus, minus. Okay, minus. So here it becomes what? Minus plus. So plus, plus. So here changes as our answer. So from here we can change. See, I will explain. Post a plus b plus is equal to pi is given. Pi is in right side. It becomes okay as usually. Next, take LHS. First term cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2a by 2, like that. 1 plus cos 2b by 2, and keep it as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2, and cos a plus cos b whole by 2 is the denominator. So split it 2 by 2 plus cos a plus cos b means 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. Same, cos a plus b by 2 means sin c by 2. See, this is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here, how did we get this step? Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square. So minus cos square means minus of cos square theta means minus of 1 minus sin square c by 2. So minus into 1 minus, minus into minus plus sin square c by 2. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. From that sin square c by 2 we get. So now what is the common from here and here? Yes, sin c by 2 is common. Then we get cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. Again, this sin c by 2 same as this, and here cos of a minus b by 2. Sin c by 2 means what? Again cos of a plus b by 2. So plus cos of a plus b by 2. Then sin c by 2 into. So it becomes what? It will be already sin c by 2 is there, remaining 2 cos cos. So it will become 2 cos cos. So 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So which is equal 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, this is called RHS and proof. Next, 16th question. If a plus b plus is equal to pi, then prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2 is equal 1 minus 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, this is the same process. Now take LHS. We must write these steps, then only after write these steps. So what is LHS? Sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. So sin square a by 2 means what? Cos square a by 2 means 1 plus cos a by 2. Sin square a by 2 means 1 minus cos a by 2. Similarly, sin square b means 1 minus cos b whole by 2. And plus sin square c by 2. Keep it as it is. In both 2 is the denominator. So 1 plus 1 is 2. In both minus is common. Then cos a plus cos b plus sin square c by 2 as it is. Split it 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos c plus cos d means what? Yes, very good. 2 cos cos. So 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 and plus sine square c by 2 as it is. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 to cancel 1 minus cos of a plus b by 2 1 minus cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine square c by 2. Now cos of a plus b by 2 means what? Cos of a plus b by 2 means sine c by 2. So instead of cos of a plus b by 2 we can write sine c by 2 and the remaining steps as it is cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine square c by 2. See here sine is there, here sine is there. So take out common 1 minus sine c by 2 take out common. The remaining steps are cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine c by 2. Okay. So 1 minus sine c by 2 as it is, cos of a minus b by 2 as it is, next plus sine c by 2. Sine c by 2 means what? Instead of sine c by 2 we can write cos of a plus b by 2. So now cos c plus cos d means 2 cos cos, of course. We get 1 minus sine c by 2. So by simplifying this we get 1 minus sine c by 2 already there, remaining 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2. So this means we get 2 sine a by 2 into sine b by 2. So in order if you write 1 minus 2 into sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So got it? Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore hence proof. This is the solution. 17th question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 5, prove that sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2. Same type of question like 16th question. Okay na? Similarly, by observing the 16th question, do the 17th question. Now let us take 18th question. Okay, next to 18th question. Okay, just we have one more question. So completely within 19 questions, I am completing this long questions. So what is the 18th? If a plus b plus c is equal to s, then prove that cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c is equal minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 cos c by 2. Okay. So here given that a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Of course, in every question we have observed 180 degrees angles in a triangle like that. But here in different way is given a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Okay. So based on 2s, s means actually semi-perimeter, means sum of the sides a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to s. From that a plus b plus is equal to 2s. Last chapter we have some problems based on semi-perimeter, small a plus small b plus small c. Okay, leave it. So here why 2s is given, leave it. Just take the condition a plus b plus equal to 2s. From this condition, some more conditions we can write. That is a plus b equal to 2s minus c we can write. A plus c is equal to 2s minus b we can write. And b plus c is equal to 2s minus a we can write. Okay na? So here one I am writing, that is c is equal to 2s minus of a plus b. Okay. So remaining terms also we can write, but no need to write. Now take left hand turn, that is cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c. So observe the first two terms are in the form of cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d formula? Here I am writing cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So based on that formula we can write 2 cos of c plus d by 2 means s minus a plus s minus b by 2 into cos c minus d means what? S minus a minus of s minus b by 2 and plus cos c, right as it is. See here, you have nothing cancelled. 2 into cos of by 2, s plus s what? 2s minus of a minus b, take minus common, minus of a plus b becomes into cos of by 2 is same. See here, this is plus s minus s cancel. This is minus into minus b plus b. This is minus a. So b minus a we get into plus cos c by this the plus cos c can be written as it is. So here 2s minus of a plus b means what? 2s minus of a plus b means c. So which is equal to 2 into cos c by 2 as it is into cos of b minus a by 2. C plus cos c is there. We should convert this cos c in terms of cos c by 2. How can we convert? again see what is cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos. What is cos 2 theta formula? So okay, once check it, take the original formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos squared minus of 1 minus cos square, so 2 cos squared minus 1 to cos square theta minus 1. So from that, if you want to write cos c means 2 theta equal to c, take, then cos square theta means c by 2. So cos c means we can write 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. That's it. Instead of cos c, we can write 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. So first write minus 1, and then from here 2 cos c by 2, here 2 cos c by 2 common. So let us take cos 2 cos c by 2 common. Then remaining are cos b minus a by 2 plus cos c by 2. Now which is called minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into, now cos c by 2 means what again? So write this as it is, b minus a by 2 plus cos c by 2 means what? Cos of c. C means what again? 2s minus of a plus b all by 2. Now this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. So which is called minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2. So cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus 2. So do that formula and substitute, simplify, you will get what are the remaining terms? Yes, 2 cos. We get 2 cos into s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2. So 2 into 2 what? 4. So which is equal minus 1 plus 4 cos of, what is the first one? First write of this, s minus a by 2 into cos of s minus b by 2 into cos c by 2. So which is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the solution. Okay. So in this problem especially, here I am writing direct steps. Suppose if you are understand clearly, if you are able to do, please do the simplification. Just do 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 and do so and so sums and write the answer. Okay. So that is very better than writing direct step. Why I am writing direct step means most probably we can write the direct step by using RHS. That's why I am writing. But instead of writing direct step, if you are good in this understanding, you just please do write 2 more steps. Okay, na, by simplification. So you can appearance will be good like that. Next, I think I'm telling you this is this question up to here enough. If you are more interested, please open the textbook and do the remaining problems also. Even we have some problems on like a plus b plus c is equal to 360 degrees, then show that so and so questions also available. If a plus b plus c is equal to 270 degrees, then show that so and so questions also are there in the textbook. Okay, but moreover these questions are enough, and most probably we can expect from these questions, especially pi minus a by 4, pi minus b by 4. So like the questions are very most important. Okay. 19th, if a plus b plus is equal to 2s, then prove that sin of s minus a plus sin of s minus b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos of s minus a by 2 cos of s minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. So what is the condition? A plus b plus is equal to s, from that c is equal to s minus of a plus b. Even and other condition also we can write, but one is enough. Take LHS, I am taking left hand side, that is sin of s minus a plus sin of s minus b plus sin c. See, for first two we can apply sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d formula? Sin c plus sin d is equal, we can apply 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 formula we can apply. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 means what? S minus a plus s minus b by 2 into, sin plus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So c minus d means s minus a minus of s minus b by 2, and plus sin c by 2 keep it as it is, plus sin c keep it as it is. Now which is called 2 into sin of s plus s is 2s minus of a and b minus take common, then it becomes minus of a plus b by 2 into cos of, see here this is plus s minus s cancel. So minus into minus is b plus b minus a. So we get b minus a by 2 and plus sin c. Sin c I am expressing as 2 into c by 2. Why I am, then the next step we can understand why I wrote in that way. So which is equal 2 into sine of by 2. What is 2s minus of a plus b? 2s minus of a plus b means just c. Okay, and into cos of b minus a by 2 as it is plus sin 2 theta formation. So we can express as 2 sin theta means 2c by 2 into cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta formation. Now what is common in both? 2 sin c by 2 is common. So 2 into sin c by 2 take out common. Then the remaining steps are cos of b minus a by 2 plus cos c by 2. Okay now 2 sin c by 2 took out common. So then continue. 2 into sin c by 2 into cos of b minus a by 2 as it is plus cos c by 2 means what? Cos c by 2 means cos c. C means what? C means 2s minus of a plus b. Okay. Similarly, in the previous what I have told, this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Okay now, what is formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So apply and you will get. For you, we will do here 2 sin c by 2 into 2 cos c plus d means b minus a by 2 plus 2s minus of and minus a minus b by 2 whole by c plus d by 2. Is it clear? 2 cos c plus d by 2 and into cos c minus d by 2. C means what? B minus a by 2 minus 2s minus a minus b by 2. Okay. Simplify this step, we get the RHS. Okay. Do you want simplification? 2 into 2, 4 sin c by 2, write as it is. 4 sin c by 2. Then cos of c. In both 2 is the denominator LCM. So 2 goes to again denominator, 2 to the 4. So by 4 we get, and here b minus a plus 2s minus a minus b. So we get b minus b gets cancelled. 2s minus a minus 2a. So we get 2s minus 2a into this step again cos into. So cos into, here also 2 is a LCM goes to denominator, 2 to the 4 and b minus a and minus 2s minus into minus a it becomes plus a. So plus a minus a will be cancelled. See here, minus into minus a plus a minus a becomes cancelled. Minus into minus b plus 2b and here plus 2b and minus 2s. So we get 2b minus 2s. 2b minus 2s. See, take 2 common, 2 to the cancel. Here also take 2 common, 2 to the. So which is equal 4 sin c by 2 into cos of s minus a by 2 into cos of, here b minus s by 2. Take minus common. So minus of s minus b by 2. Even minus common, cos of minus theta becomes plus cos theta. So that's why in cos there is no problem. Okay, I'm writing in order. So cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into sin c by 2 is equal RHS, hence proved. Got it? See here, cos of minus theta becomes plus cos theta. That's why I have written directly using that formula. Okay friends, these are the long questions. I just start only 19 questions and these are very enough and very most important. Which are very most important, those also I told you. And so completely in 10 parts this trigonometric ratios up to transformations is completed. So with having be patience, listen from part 1. Okay, after understanding part 1 go to part 2, then part 3. In this way if you watch my videos you can understand the trigonometry easily. And thank you very much for following my videos and watching my videos and also giving good comments. So please if it is possible share my videos to your needed friends, needed people. And moreover, finally all chapters of all subjects I am covering. I am making all videos, maths 1a, maths 1b, maths 2a, maths 2b. Okay now, in maths 1a functions, mathematical induction, matrices, vectors, trigonometry, trigonometric equations, trigonometric inverse, hyperbolic function, properties of triangle. So 10 chapters are there. Similarly, maths 1B also some chapters. What are the chapters in 2A? What are chapters? All I am covering. So please watch all videos. Okay, I am making now one by one. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So please subscribe and click bell button to get notifications to get more videos. Thank you.